A serger is a perfect way to sew elastic along the edge of the fabric. On the Pfaff Admire Air 5000, I'm going to show you that a 4-thread stitch is the easiest to use. So go ahead and place your elastic. It could be 1/4 inch, it could even be wider, but you want to run it next to the knife. Also, I'm going to just go ahead and get started. You are going to want to lengthen out the stitch length because usually when you do elastic, you're pulling on it. So with a longer stitch length, it is going to still look like it's a normal length when it's pulled together. Now it just won't look solid. Trust me, you're not wasting thread. So usually what you have is how much stretch you need, probably predetermined, and you can hold your elastic stretched out to a mark or the end of the fabric. You want to try avoid cutting the elastic with the knife of the serger. Now, there are accessory feet available. Oh, watch this. It's the knife just to cut that off. So see how easy it is? It's all connected all at once. Oftentimes this is folded over and then top stitched with a cover stitch machine or even a twin needle as needed. But I mentioned accessory feet. There is a box foot set you can get for this machine. It does include a gathering foot attachment, a blind hem, an elastic gathering attachment, which would help it so you don't have to actually hold this always to the same pulled out length. It will actually predetermine how pulled it will feed into the serger, so it is nice and stays consistent. And then there's also a cloth guide. So for measuring seam allowances, it attaches so you can kind of keep your fabric always cutting off the same amount.